Now, the last reform is globalization. First of all, we have to discuss the liberalization, second is the privatization, and third one is the globalization. What is the meaning of globalization? Globalization means integrated the economy with the world economy. Globalization is a process in which one economy is interact with the rest of the world with respect to production and the trade. Under the globalization, the Indian economy is integrated with the world economy. What will be the effect of the globalization of Indian economy? Free flow of goods from one country to another country. Now, the country can import and export easily the flow of goods and services from one country to another country easily. Free flow of capital and the technology. Capital and technology can be freely used from the rest of the world. And free flow of labor, I am talking about services and the professionals we can take from other countries also. So this is the effect of the globalization. Under the globalization, which measure taken for the globalization? First is raising foreign equity participant. The foreign equity participant is increase the foreign investment, which is increased from 51% and previously it was 40%. Now, the next point is devaluation of the Indian rupee. Devaluation means reduce the value of Indian rupees by the government. Government reduce the Indian rupees because of increase the inflow of foreign currency. Third is partially convertibility. Indian rupees is partially convertibility, not a fully convertibility. Long period trade policy is used under the globalization. Open competition is done under the globalization. Reduction in custom and tariff. Custom and tariff is reduced under the globalization. So, these are some changes which are done under the globalization. In globalization, these changes are done. Due to these changes, there is some positive and negative impacts of the globalization. There are some positive effects of the globalizations are greater access of global market, advanced technology, better future prospects for larger industries of developing country to become important player in the international area. But there is some negative impact of globalization. Which are the negative impact of globalization? Benefit of globalization occurs more to developed countries as they are able to expand their market in other countries. Globalization compromises the welfare and identify the people belonging to poor countries. Market globalization increases the economic disparities among the nation and the peoples. Due to the globalization, there are some changes which is outsourcing. We are using the outsourcing and WTO. We have to discuss both outsourcing and the WTO in next video.